As-salamu alaykum everyone. Do you know why Muslim women wear
Hijab.
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 Hijab. Hijab.
hijab? In Islam, the hijab is more than just a piece of clothing. It is an expression of modesty, dignity, and privacy that holds deep spiritual and cultural significance. Let's see what is the hijab and its purpose. The hijab refers to the veil or covering worn by Muslim women, but its meaning extends beyond physical appearance. It embodies the principle of modesty in both dress and behavior. The hijab is a part of Islamic teaching that calls for both men and women to behave with modesty and humility, ensuring that interactions are respectful and dignified. Then, why do women wear it? The hijab is a way for Muslim women to demonstrate their faith and obedience to God. In the Quran, Muslim women are encouraged to dress modestly, covering their hair and body as a sign of faith. It also serves as a protection from unwanted attention, giving women a sense of security and promoting the right to privacy and autonomy. There are common misconceptions and its meaning today. Many misunderstand that hijab as a form of oppression, but for many Muslim women, it is a symbol of empowerment, giving them control over how they are perceived by others. In today's world, the hijab is also a way for Muslim women to express their identity and proudly represent their faith while living in various cultural and societal contexts. In summary, the hijab is a powerful symbol in Islam representing modesty, faith, and empowerment. It is worn by Muslim women to show their devotion to God and to preserve their privacy, far from being an oppressive practice. Many see it as a way to maintain dignity and respect in both for personal and public life. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this insightful, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll make sure that you'll all get the tickets. Until next time, As-salamu alaykum.